quick video, we're going to show you how to adjust your Z4 welding grinding respirator. For the purpose of this video, I am going to un-velcro the shroud across the top of the Z4. This is just giving you access to see and easily adjust your Z4 head suspension. If you're using the head suspension version without the bump cap, it'll have two adjustment straps across the top of your Z4. This is allowing you to adjust the height of that Z4 when it's positioned on your head. To adjust that strap, if you need to tighten it, you simply just slide the locator together to the desired location. If you need to spread that further apart, you just separate the locator from the strap and allow that then to move further apart. Moving it further apart is going to allow the helmet to sit lower on your head. Once you've got that to the right position, you can then slide that to get that fitting tight and snug on your head. You may need to try this on from time to time while you're doing the adjustments to ensure you're getting it to the right location. Then you've got the slide adjustments on the side that can position the respirator further away or closer to your face. To adjust this, you just lift up on the little lever on the side and allow that head suspension to slide either in or out depending on the position that you need that respirator to sit. What you adjust on one side, you want to make sure that you match on the opposite side to ensure that it's fitted in the right position. You then have the adjustable ratchet that'll tighten the head suspension onto your head. You also have an adjustable position on the side. That is going to adjust the angle of the helmet when it's sitting on your head. To adjust that, you simply pry the locator away from the small latch on the side and allow that then to be adjusted to the right position that you need that to be in. With that now adjusted, the final position that you can adjust is the position of the brow pad. This is located on the sides with these adjustments on the side of that head suspension. To adjust this, you simply press in on the brow pad and allow the connector to come apart. Once that's come apart, you can then slide that to the right location, remembering that if you position the brow pad closer to the front of the helmet, that'll position your head closer to the front of the helmet also. Once you've got your adjustments just right for your head, you can then replace the shroud back over the top of the head suspension and Velcro that back into position. When you're Velcroing this back on, you want to make sure that there are no gaps that could allow contamination or light to transfer through. And that's how to adjust your Z4 welding grinding respirator.